Hello, plant enthusiasts. Are you ready to boost your business's success? Discover these 10 lucky plants believed to attract prosperity and fortune to your workplace. Let's dive into the green world of business luck. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant wisdom. Aglaonema, with its vibrant foliage and air-purifying qualities, is considered a symbol of prosperity and positive energy. It's believed to promote a harmonious work environment, making it a popular choice for businesses seeking luck and success. Lemon balm, with its invigorating citrus scent, is associated with attracting prosperity. Its aroma promotes mental clarity and focus, making it an ideal addition to a workspace, where it's believed to enhance decision-making and financial success. Fishtail fern, with its unique fronds resembling fishtails, is believed to attract good fortune and success in business. Its lush greenery fosters a tranquil atmosphere, enhancing productivity and inviting positive energies. Lucky bamboo is a symbol of prosperity and success in Chinese culture. Its resilient nature and vibrant growth patterns are believed to attract positive energy, making it a favored choice for enhancing luck and fortune in business settings. Golden pothos is renowned for its ability to bring good luck and financial prosperity to businesses. Its heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines are thought to attract positive energy and wealth, making it a popular choice for office spaces. Money plant is believed to attract wealth and prosperity in business settings. Its heart-shaped leaves symbolize good fortune, making it a popular choice for enhancing financial success and positive energy in workplaces. Money tree is believed to bring good luck to businesses due to its 5-leaf clusters that resemble the 5 elements: wood, water, earth, fire, and metal, promoting balance and prosperity. Its braided trunk and resilient nature further symbolize financial stability. Snake plant is revered for its ability to purify the air and remove negativity, making it a symbol of good luck and positive energy in business spaces. Its strong growth signifies resilience and prosperity. Peace lily is believed to bring luck to businesses by purifying the environment and fostering harmony. Its elegant white blooms symbolize purity and prosperity, making it an ideal choice for attracting good fortune and positive energy in the workplace. Spider plant is considered lucky for businesses due to its air-purifying qualities and ability to thrive under various conditions. Its spiky leaves represent resilience and growth, bringing positive energy and success to the workplace. And there you have it, our top 10 plants to bring good luck to your business. Whether you're a small startup or a well-established company, these green companions might just be the secret to your success. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe for more valuable tips and tricks. Wishing you all the luck and prosperity in your business endeavors.